Which of the following was adopted from the Maurya Dynasty in the emblem of Government of India? 4 lions, chariot wheel, horse, or words Satyamev Jayate? Correct answer is 4 lions. The Office of Governor-General of India was created by Charter Act 1813, Charter Act 1833, Government of India Act 1858, or Government of India Act 1935. Correct answer is Charter Act 1833. Who among the following is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, or Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? Correct answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Attlee, Prime Minister of England, announced the transfer of power to the Indians? February 1947, August 1947, June 1948, or June 1949? Correct answer is June 1948. Who proposed the Preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, B.N. Rao, or Mahatma Gandhi? Correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. The amendment procedure laid down in the Constitution of India is on the pattern of Government of India Act 1935, Government of India Act 1947, Constitution of South Africa, or Constitution of UK? Correct answer is Constitution of South Africa. The first session of the Constituent Assembly was held in Bombay, Calcutta, Lahore, or New Delhi? Correct answer is New Delhi. Who among the following was the chairman of the Union Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, J.B. Kriplani, Jawaharlal Nehru, or Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer? Correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Who among the following was not a member of the Constituent Assembly? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, J.B. Kriplani, Loknayak Jayaprakash Narayan, or K.M. Munshi? Correct answer is Loknayak Jayaprakash Narayan. Which among the following is or are the feature of a federal state? 1. The powers of the central and the state, constituent unit, governments are clearly laid down. 2. It has an unwritten constitution. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. Correct answer is 1 only. Who was the first Foreign Minister of Free India? Jawaharlal Nehru, Gulzari Lal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, or John Mathai? Correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Under whom among the following was the first draft of the Constitution of India prepared in October 1947 by the advisory branch of the Office of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, K.M. Munshi, or B.N. Rao? Correct answer is B.N. Rao. Which one among the following is a fundamental duty of citizens under the Constitution of India? To provide friendly cooperation to the people of the neighboring countries, to protect monuments of national importance, to defend the country and render national service when required, or to know more and more about the history of India? Correct answer is to defend the country and render national service when required. The first effort at drafting a Dominion status constitution for India was made in response to the Minto-Morley Reforms, Montagu-Chelmsford Reforms, Simon Commission, or First Round Table Conference. Correct answer is Simon Commission. The Constitution of India was promulgated on January 26, 1950 because this day was being celebrated as the Independence Day since 1929. It was the wish of the framers of the Constitution. The British did not want to leave India earlier than this date, or it was an auspicious day. Correct answer is, this day was being celebrated as the Independence Day since 1929. The idea of the Constitution of India was first of all given by Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, or M.N. Roy. Correct answer is M.N. Roy. The members of the Constituent Assembly were elected by provincial assemblies, elected directly by people, nominated by the government, or only representatives of the princely states. Correct answer is elected by provincial assemblies. Who among the following was not a member of the Constituent Assembly established in July 1946? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Mahatma Gandhi, K.M. Munshi, or J.B. Kripalani? Correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. India became a sovereign democratic republic on August 15, 1947, January 30, 1948, January 26, 1950, or November 26, 1929. Correct answer is January 26, 1950. Which one of the following made the Indian Legislature bicameral? Indian Councils Act, 1909, Government of India Act, 1919, Government of India Act, 1935, or Indian Independence Act, 1947. Correct answer is Government of India Act, 1919. Please join our journey. Subscribe, share, and stay updated.